Good morning. See that Leslie delivered 6 kittens last night. Leslie delivered 6 kittens last night. Last night was December 18. Their birthday is December 18. Today is December 19. Leslie has 6 kittens. 6 kittens, see that? 6 kittens over there. Leslie is with 6 kittens. 2 orange and 1 orange with black and 3 blacks, 6 kittens total. I named them Vanilla, and the one is Sky, and the one is Ice, Presto, Chucky, and Cheese. Vanilla, Sky, Ice, Presto, Chucky, and Cheese. 6 of the kittens. Those who want to adopt this, I will give this for adoption after 2 to 3 months. They are ready for adoption. After 1 month, I will feed them with Whiskas tuna flavor. That Leslie is very happy with his 6 kittens. I'm not sure if this is how many males and how many are female. See that? This will be taken care of. See, Panda is over here. Panda is over here. Panda is over here. Wants to play with the kittens when they are already 2 months. Panda will play with the kittens when they are 2 months. See that? 6 kittens is with Leslie. 6 kittens is with Leslie. Yeah, the 6 kittens is with Leslie. 6 kittens is with Leslie. 6 kittens. 6 kittens is with Leslie. 3 blacks, 2 orange, and 1 orange with black. Vanilla, Sky, Ice, Chucky, Presto, and Cheese. Vanilla, Sky, Ice, Presto, Chucky, and Cheese. 6 kittens. We don't know how many males and how many females. After 2 to 3 months, it is ready for adoption already. I will feed them with Whiskas when they are 1 month old already. Today we have 6 new kittens. Sons and daughter of Lexter and Leslie. See that? We have 6 new kittens. Sons of Leslie and Lexter. The brother of Andrew and Andre. Brother of Andrew and Andre. Brother of Andrew and Andre. See that? 6 kittens. 6 kittens. 6 kittens. Leslie wants to go out of the cage. The 6 kittens are over there. The 6 kittens. We have 6 kittens. 6 kittens. Vanilla, Sky, Ice, Chucky, Presto, and Cheese. 2 orange, 3 blacks, and 1 orange with black. 3 black kittens and 2 orange and 1 orange with black stripe. They are all the sons and daughters of Lexter and Leslie, the brother of Andrew and Andre. They are ready for adoption 2 to 3 months from now. Whoever is interested, I will give it for free. They will eat Whiskas tuna flavor when they are 1 month old already. I will have it on video here in the cage. They will grow here in the cage. See that? The kittens? The kittens are here. 6 kittens born on December 18. This 6 kitten was born on December 18. Today is December 19. We have brand new set of kittens. See that? Brand new set of kittens. Okay, this brand new set of kittens. Presto, Chucky, Cheese, Vanilla, Sky, and Ice. Presto, Chucky, Cheese, Vanilla, Sky, and Ice. 3 black stripe like tiger. You see that? Stripe like tiger. Stripe like tiger. Striped kittens, and 2 orange, and 1 is orange and black. This is 6 kittens total. 6 kittens. 6 kittens. You know, kittens 6. They are 6 all in all. They are 6 all in all. They are 6. 6 kittens. 6 kittens. 6 kittens all in all. Six kittens all in all. Now Leslie is returning to her kitten, to his kittens. To her kittens. Leslie is returning. Well, Leslie, go inside, Leslie. Leslie is returning to her kittens. Leslie returns to her kittens. Leslie returned to her kittens. The kittens was born last night, December 18. Today is December 19. Today is December 19 and it is past 10 a.m. in the morning. Past 10 a.m. in the morning. They will be 1 day old tonight. Leslie is with her kittens. Leslie is with her kittens. Leslie is with her kittens. Well, I already feed Leslie with Whiskas to the flavor, and I also gave her water. I also gave her water and Whiskas to the flavor. Leslie already ate. See that Leslie is with his kittens. Their kittens. Leslie is with the kittens. Leslie is with her kittens. Panda is over there, barking. Leslie is with her kittens. Leslie is with her kittens. Leslie is with her kittens. Kittens are breastfeeding. They were born last night, December 18. They were born last night at 11 p.m. in the evening. I don't have it in video because I was already I already fell asleep. But Sheena, my daughter, saw it at 11 p.m. The kittens was born December 18. Today is December 19. Tonight they will be 1 year old, 1 day old. Okay, see that the kittens? The kittens are ready for adoption, for free only. When they are 2 to 3 months already, 2 to 3 months old. I will feed them with Whiskas to the flavor when they are already 1 month old. 6 kittens. Chucky Presto Cheese, Vanilla Sky and Ice. Chucky Presto Cheese, Vanilla Sky and Ice. 6 kittens. See that? 6 kittens of Leslie. See that? Very good. Thank you. Okay, God bless us. Thank you.